Hello everyone, I am Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about layers. So let's start. First we have to know why we have to use layers. Let's create some geometry first. Say we have a number of circles, a number of rectangles, a number of polygons, and we have to make them similar. Make all the circles looks as same, makes all the rectangles looks as same. So after creating the geometry, it is difficult to make them look similar. So that's why we have to use layer. To find layer, you can click on this icon, or use the shortcut, press LA and then press enter. Here you can see the layer window is available. Click on this auto hide option, then it is automatically hide when you move the cursor from it, and when you move the cursor on this layer property manager, the window is automatically reopen. Here you can create a number of layers. Create on this new layer option, and a number of layer is available here. You can see we have created 5 number of layers. Here you can see the another option is delete layer. Choose any layer and delete it. And here you can see to set the current layer, select one layer and click on this to set current, or otherwise double click on a layer to set the layer as current. Now you can specify the layer color, layer line type, layer line weight, even transparency, and you can also add a description. So let's see all about the options. First, draw some geometry in every layer. Let's name it circle. This is rectangle. Click on the name twice to change it. And this is polygon. Otherwise you can select the name and right click on it to rename layer. Now set this circle layer current and let it hide. Now select circle and let's draw some circle. Now let's change the layer. Move the cursor on it and here choose rectangle. Set it current. Now let's draw some rectangle. Choose rectangle. Change the layer again. Go to layer properties manager and here choose polygon and set it current. Choose polygon command to draw some polygons. You can see we have draw a number of rectangles, a number of circles, a number of polygons. If we want to change the circles types, its colors, then just go to layer properties manager. Here choose circle and here change the color. Let them red. Click on OK. Here you can see all the circles are become red. Here you can see there is a number of options available, which is on, freeze, lock, plot. So let's see what are they. Here you can click on this icon to on and off them. Now all the layers are on. Let's off the circle and the rectangle. Here you can see all the circles and rectangles are removed from this drawing, but they are here, but we just remove it for another purpose, like they are creating problems in creating another geometry or otherwise creating a visual problem, so we just hide them. And you can on them here and they are available. You can see freeze also works as the same, but there is a basic difference. Let's choose the circle as current and draw a circle over here. Go to layer property manager and off the circle. Here you can see if we set a layer as a current and try to off them, then a window pop up and asking to you that if you really want to off it or not. So off the layer. Here you can see all the circles are gone. Let's regenerate the model. Press zoom enter, all enter. Here you can see we have drawn a circle over here. That's why it is in the AutoCAD's memory, and that's why this like of thing is happening. So on this, and you can see the circle is here, and that's why the zoom enter, all enter option is working like that. And if we now freeze it, the current layer, we can't freeze the current layer, so let's choose the rectangle as current and freeze the circle. Here you can see all the circles are gone. Now if we use zoom enter, all enter, here you can see the circles are no longer available in AutoCAD's memory. That's why the zoom enter, all enter is working like this. So now let's talk about the next one, which is lock. If we lock a layer, let's lock the polygon, then we can't edit them, we can choose them, we can't find any intersection point, we can't do anything, any one of them. Okay, now let's talk about the color. You can see before, let's change the rectangle color, let it green, and polygons are blue. Now let's talk about the next one, which is line type. Click on any one of them to change the line type. Here click on load and you can find a number of options is available here. Choose any one of them. Let's choose this one. Click on OK. Here you have to select this one and click on OK. So you can see all the rectangles are, all the line types of the rectangles are changed. This is not changed but because of the length, that's why it is not changed. Here you can find the line weight. You can select any one of them and select as per your requirement and click on OK. Now let's know what are the next one, which is, here you can see this is transparency. Here you can change the transparency of a layer and the value is 0 to 90. Here you can see the transparency value is 0 to 90. You can change the transparency of a layer to highlight others. Here you can see the new VP freeze option. If we off any layers new VP freeze, then that layer will no longer available on the layout. Here you can see we off the new VP freeze option of this circle layer, so the circles are not no longer available in layout, but they are available in model. Okay, and the next one is description. Here you can add a description for that layer, and we just miss plot here. If we off plot of any layer, in that case that layer is no longer available if we made a hard copy of this drawing. Okay, so that all the basic options, and here you can use the layer filter. Let's see, say we want to categorize all the on layers. Let's file the name as on. Here click on this one and toggle between here choose this one and click on this on. So in that case all the on layers are available in that filter. Click on OK. Here you can see the on category is available here. Now let's off two number of layers, and here you can see in on category the off layers are no longer available. So to see all the layers, click on all, and here you can find all the layers. You can see we off circle and polygon, and they are not available in this filter. So this is layer filter, and you don't have to create the layers while you all the time while you are creating a drawing. So you can save all the layer types, can use while you are creating new drawings. Let's see how to do that. Here you can see we have created 4 number of layers, and now save them. To save them, click on layer states manager, and here you can find this window. Now click on new. You can add in layer name. Let's this one first, and you can also add a description here and click on OK. And now click on export. Now you have to choose a folder to save them. Let's say we choose this one, Angular, and here save the file as fast and save it. Now close. Now let's open a new drawing. Here you can see there is only one layer available, and if we want to bring all the previous layers in this drawing, then click on layer states manager, and here click on import. Here you can see the folder is showing empty. Let's change the file types. Here click on layer states, and here you can see the files is available. Here choose this one and click on open. Here you can see it's showing that all the line types cannot be loaded because of, here you can see we have to load every time. The line types we have to load every time, so that's why it's showing that. But you can see all the layers are now available here with their colors, line weight, on off conditions. So that's all about layer. If you have any query, let me know in comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like my video, then give a thumbs up, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon for another updates. Thank you.